Welcome back to the AYV Auto. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting American performance cars on the horizon, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS1 LE. This car carries the muscle car spirit forward with modern updates, aggressive styling and track-focused engineering, making it a serious contender for enthusiasts who want both raw power and daily usability. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2026 Camaro SS1 LE stand out. Starting with the exterior, Chevrolet has kept the Camaro's instantly recognizable muscular profile but sharpened it for the modern age. The front fascia features a wide, menacing grille paired with slimmer LED headlights that give it a mean, track-ready stance. The hood comes with functional vents that not only look aggressive but also help with cooling that big V8 underneath. Along the sides, the sculpted body lines flow into wider fenders that house 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in sticky performance tires. The 1LE package also adds a more pronounced front splitter, side skirts, and a rear spoiler that enhances downforce. Around the back, quad exhaust tips sit beneath a bold rear diffuser, and the LED taillights give off a modern yet unmistakably Camaro look. Everything about the exterior design screams performance and attitude, while still being practical enough for street use. Moving inside, the 2026 Camaro SS1 LE continues to blend track purpose with driver comfort. The cabin has been upgraded with higher quality materials compared to previous generations, using soft touch surfaces, suede inserts, and optional carbon fiber trim. The heavily bolstered Recaro performance seats hold you firmly in place during spirited driving, but are still supportive enough for longer road trips. The flat-bottom steering wheel, wrapped in Alcantara, feels perfect in the hands, and the driver-focused cockpit layout makes it easy to access all the performance features. You'll find a fully digital instrument cluster with customizable performance readouts, as well as an updated infotainment system with a larger high-resolution touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Chevrolet also includes a performance data recorder, letting drivers capture lap times, G-forces, and video footage directly from the car. Despite its hardcore nature, the Camaro SS1 LE still offers dual-zone climate control, premium audio options, and enough tech features to make it livable every day. Under the hood is where things get truly exciting. The 2026 Camaro SS1 LE is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter LT1 V8 engine, producing around 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque. Buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission with active rev matching or a quick-shifting 10-speed automatic. The 1LE package transforms this power into track-ready capability with magnetic ride control, an electronic limited-slip differential, upgraded Brembo brakes, and a specially tuned suspension. The result is a car that feels equally at home blasting down a straight line or carving through a winding road course. Chevrolet has fine-tuned the 1LE to deliver incredible balance, sharp turn and response, and the kind of confidence you'd expect from cars far more expensive. 0 to 60 comes in the mid-4-second range, and top speed exceeds 165 miles per hour, making it a legitimate modern muscle machine. As for pricing, Chevrolet has managed to keep the Camaro SS1 LE competitive. The base SS starts just over the mid-$40,000 range, and when you add the 1LE package with all its performance upgrades, the price climbs into the low $50,000s. Considering the level of performance, engineering, and track capability on offer, it remains one of the best bargains in the performance car world. The 2026 Camaro SS1 LE represents the perfect blend of heritage and modern technology. It's a car built for enthusiasts who want the thrill of a V8, the precision of a track-tuned chassis, and the everyday usability of a modern sports car. Whether you're looking for weekend track fun or just want to turn heads on the street, this Camaro delivers in every way.